this is my 1991 Ford Mistake, not a Mustang, Mistake. So this car has actually 104,000 miles, barely runs as usual. So we're gonna throw some parts on it and get this thing running, hopefully good. But yeah. So we're gonna do a quick walk around. I'm gonna show you the car, what I know about it. Nothing's been done to it except for the exhaust tips. The car does have 104,000 miles on it. And this is it, guys. This is the project. Now I'm gonna pan over to the front. You're gonna see some questionable things the last owner did regarding fog lights. See, it's got a few rust holes on the hood. I'm not worried about that. Hoods are changeable. There you can see the very premium work there. Guy must have been an electrician. But for the most part, the body's very straight. So let's go ahead, open this baby up, take a look at the interior and see what we got going on. So everything's here. It's gonna need some work. All the parts are there. I've definitely seen worse. I did go through and wipe it down. It's still a little bit dirty, but the car has not been on the road since the early 2000s, which kind of seems to be my forte, considering the SVO was sitting for about 20 years when I bought it. But this is it. Looks like the last owner kind of put in some screws here. Windows don't work. Definitely gonna get that fixed, check fuses. But yeah, this is it. This is the project, and this is what we're working with here. So I've already drained the fuel out of this car, put fresh fuel in it. I've changed the fuel filter. Right now it is idling. It's running pretty good. It still has that vacuum leak from that brake booster. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off this rotor cap, check the rotor, change the cap and rotor, and go from there. Get the spark plugs and wires in, and this thing should be running a little bit better. They're aftermarket, so they've been changed at some point. I'm gonna assume that they're pretty bad because this car has not been on the road for over 20 years. You know, anytime I change wires with a cheap wire, I go ahead and I replace them every year. Still gonna go ahead and change that brake booster because it has a vacuum leak. All right, so I got the brake booster bolts off. I got this pushed forward. There's a little bracket right here. You undo one bolt and then your brake lines can move freely. So we're gonna try to break this baby off and wiggle it out.
All right, we get some more.
All right, there we go. Entirely possible to replace this without breaking open the master cylinder. All right, we got the brake booster in. We got rid of that vacuum leak. Put a new cap and rotor. I didn't change the wires yet, but we're gonna start this and see how she runs. This is first start in over a week, so let's see. All right, she is idling on her own right now, so we're gonna have to dig into that. As always, thank you guys for watching. Definitely look forward to posting more videos in progress. If you guys want, in the comments, let me know what you want to see done to this car, and we'll go from there.